Congratulations! You have successfully implemented Android architecture components in our to-do list app. Well done! Now, time for a quick recap. Using Room, we have implemented a local database to persist our data. Thanks to Live Data, which works nicely with Room, we are notified when there are changes in our database. This allows us to update our UI to match the exact state of our data at any time without being constantly querying the database. ViewModel has allowed us to cache our live data objects, so they survive to orientation changes. This way, after rotation, we don't have to recreate the live data object, and we don't need to query the database again either. Finally, we have dived into how Lifecycle, via its two main interfaces, Lifecycle Owner and Lifecycle Observer, allows non-lifecycle objects to be lifecycle aware, and how we can benefit from that for initialization and teardown. Also, we have seen that live data is already a lifecycle aware component. This has saved us the headache of having to manage when our servers should or should not be notified. Not only that, but the observers will be automatically removed when the activity is destroyed, so we don't even need to worry about memory leaks. Hope that you enjoyed the lesson. I am looking forward to seeing what you build next with the help of Android architecture components.